Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the airbase and the phone. Charge to at least 50% and remove other Bluetooth connections so the headset can negotiate settings. Once charged, take the earbuds from the case to enter pairing. On your phone, open Bluetooth and select Boult Airbass. Make sure firmware is current if available. This reduces connection glitches and ensures game mode will register. Once paired, keep the earbuds close while you move to the next step to toggle the special control. You now enable game mode using the earbuds controls or the Boult app. Press and hold the right earbud for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a confirmation tone, because the earbuds switch internal processing to low-latency audio. If an official app is available, open it and toggle game mode on. This offers a visual confirmation and sometimes firmware tweaks. Once done, test with a quick game clip. You should notice reduced lip-sync delay and tighter audio response almost immediately. You finish by verifying performance. Run a fast-paced game or latency test to ensure audio sync. Subtle audio alignment confirms success. If game mode fails to enable, power cycle the earbuds and repair. This often clears temporary state conflicts. If problems persist, update firmware, reset to factory settings, and retry because stale firmware or corrupted pairing data commonly blocks the low-latency switch. One tip: if audio still lags, temporarily disable EQ or spatial features. Those processes can reintroduce delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.